Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to be talking about the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The Pythagoras theorem is a well-known geometric term which states that the sum of the squares on the legs of a right triangle is equal to the square on the hypotenuse. Now let's take a look at what the hypotenuse is. The hypotenuse is the longest side on the right angle triangle. Here you can see that the diagonal side of C is the hypotenuse, so C is the hypotenuse. Now let's take a look at what the formula is. There are two different formulas. One is for finding the hypotenuse and the second is for the other two smaller sides. So for finding the hypotenuse, it's a square plus b square equals c square, and for finding, for example, a, it's a square equals c square minus b square. Now let's take a look at an example. Here we have 5 and 8 and we're trying to find the hypotenuse x. So here the formula is there for calculating c or x over here. Now a is 8 and b is 5. So 8 square plus 5 square equals x square, and root of 8 square plus 5 square equals x, root of 64 plus 25 equals x, root of 89 equals x, and 9.43 centimeters equals x. Now let's take a look at the conclusion. You can take some time to read this. Thank you very much for watching my PPT, and I hope you liked it.